What's up, y'all? I'm Black Talent Sport. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing the Auxito LED plate lights. That's right, those up there, they're out. So we're definitely going to be doing that replacement today. So stick around for this video. Oh, but first, before we go any further, I want to remind you guys to please continue to smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, make sure it's on all so that you get notified when I come out with these videos. Greatly appreciated. So if you needed to know why I actually am replacing the stock license plate bulbs, it's because of this. I've gotten pulled over for this already before. Actually, that time both of them were out. But when Auxito reached out to me and asked me if I needed anything else, this was actually at the top of the list. I actually do need license plate bulbs. So the fact that they offer these LED license plate bulbs, I'm like, cool, man. There's actually a need that I have, so I'm super excited about this. All right, so I've already opened them, as you can see. So let's go right ahead and get these things installed here. I just showed my little brand new mod, nice little carbon fiber license plate frame. Love my carbon fiber. All right, this is probably going to be the easiest install I'm going to ever probably do on this channel. Just I probably don't even need a screwdriver, but I'm going to do it anyway. Pop that right down. As you can see, the blown out bulb is in there. Just let me open that. Not even sure if I can do it with one hand, but let's try it. Yeah, so this basically untwists from there and you take it out. Now, I'm not sure why that looks like that. If you know, let me know in the comments below. But that looks really weird. All right, so let me take the Auxito and stick it right in the socket there. All right. So as you can see, I just plainly popped the Auxito chip right in there. All right, get this plug back into the socket and put it right in. Yeah, amber's the color I really wanted, but I guess this will have to do. But my goodness, you can clearly see the brightness of the Auxito. That's ridiculous. Oh man, you gotta love these LEDs, man. I mean, the other one that was working doesn't quite look like that. Or maybe it does a little bit. Maybe that's just the film on there. I don't know. Anyway. Bam. There you have it. That is the Auxito LED plate lights. Looks super clean, not gonna lie. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Now, if you would like to give Auxito LEDs a try, they're giving my viewers a chance to get 15% off. All right, so what you can do is you go to their website, auxito.com, using my link down below. And then what you're gonna have to do is click that link and use code BlackTalentFamily to get your 15% off. All of the links will be in the description of this video down below. Thank you very much. Well, all right, well, that's going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please continue to stay subscribed to the channel. Got quite a few more videos coming up. If you would like me to make any type of videos, please suggest that in the comments below. All right, so please remember to have a blessed day and peace out. So as of right now, I pretty much have LEDs on all exterior lights except the front turn signals. What do you guys think? Should I ask Auxito for some front LED turn signals? Let me know in the comments below. Or should I just leave it like that? Because it doesn't really matter. Let me know what you guys think.